How to fix laptop battery not charging problem. Everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, go to your start menu, then go to settings. After that, simply search for troubleshoot. Then go to troubleshoot all problems. Now scroll down and then see for power option. If you find power option, simply tap on it and then run the troubleshoot. After that, the problem that you are facing will appear and also the solution to it will be there as well. So follow the instruction and you will be done. Also make sure that the charger you are using is not defected and your charging port is not defected as well. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.